Hey, this is the motivational minister, Billy Miller, and I'm reporting to you live from the Salt Shaker Bookstore here in Wilmington, North Carolina. And I just want to talk to you about some books that you need to get for 2012. Some of my favorites, so let's go through the store. Oh, man. We're going to start off with this book right here, Made to Crave. That's a good book right there. Got a devotion to it. I haven't read it yet, but I read some of it. Real good. Of course, my book. Let's go over here to my book. Life and Righteousness. The Word is Your Life. Most definitely get that book. Yeah, because I wrote it. Right beside Billy Graham's new book, Billy Graham Nearing Home. If you want a devotion, listen, come and get this devotion right here. Graceful a Moment. This is my favorite devotion right here. It's real good. I read it at home with me and my family. This book right here, Jesus Calling. That's the top selling devotion that's in this store. That's real good also. And also, Jesus Lives, which is by the same author that wrote Jesus Calling. That's a good book as well. Let's see what else we got over here. Oh, this book right here has been flying off the shelf. Heaven is for Real. If you don't know about that, you need to read that. Heard that's a good read. And I think that we'll stop right there. Oh, one more for the family. This book here, Have a New Teenager by Friday, Have a New Kid by Friday, Have a New Husband by Friday. Okay, that's all I'm reporting today. This is Billy Miller signing off. Peace.